Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, coming to you, as you can see, from the Bullion Now bunker, another section of it. So, the SWAN release, today, SWAN release day, so we always love this one. Again, they've done another beautiful coin, however, they haven't managed to send them out yet, so we don't have any to display. So, it's all on pre-order at the moment. Now, we need to make everyone aware of the fact that we're only getting in the gold. We're not getting into silver this year. We don't have access to it. So Perth Mint, try and share the love around with exclusives. And as much as I fight for all that I can get, they won't let me have the SWAN. So that's one in silver that we can't stock, but we absolutely get it in gold. Now, it's a beautiful design this year. SWAN kind of swimming away from you. Looking back over its shoulder. If swans have shoulders, I'm not really sure if they do or not, but that's kind of the look they've gone for, and it's quite a simplistic design, and I actually think it's pretty good. Now, 1 ounce in gold, limited to 5,000, and as per usual, most of these make their way overseas. Very few are reserved for Australia, so we have a limited availability. They're all on pre-order. There'll be a link down below which Ruben will have slid in. Click on that, grab them while you can. They're not going to sell out in 24 hours, but they're certainly not going to last more than a few weeks. So if it's in your budget and you're after the 1 ounce SWAN limited edition gold coin, grab them while you can. Talk later.